Hello, everyone. Wishing all of you a very happy Ramzan 2026. People all across the globe. Ramadan or is it Ramzan? Well, this is a common query asked by people of all age groups, and today I would like to tell you what is the difference. Ramadan and Ramzan refer to the same Islamic calendar, with the difference being primarily linguistic rather than religious. Ramadan is the Arabic pronunciation and spelling, while Ramzan is the common pronunciation in the Indian subcontinent, Persia and Turkey. We in the subcontinent Indians, we were influenced by the Persian. That's why we have adopted their pronunciation. Now Ramadan, that is Arabic, is the original Arabic pronunciation, which uses a d, that is dwad. Not, you don't have to roll your mouth lips. It is dwad, the letter d. Okay, and in the subcontinent we use the z sound, which is influenced by Persia and Turkey. So we say Ramzan, and the rest of the world, that is Arabic, and globally it is Ramadan. It has become very prevalent that we write Ramzan and Ramadan, which confuses everyone who does not know. In fact, it is not about religion again, once it's about the pronunciation and the linguistic connotations to it. Now, both terms refer to the same holy month of fasting, prayer, reflection, and neither of the words is considered incorrect. Now, is Ramzan or Ramadan about just fasting, eating, and going off to sleep and working in the morning and say, oh, I'm on fast, I can't work? Ramzan, the 30 days or 29 days of Ramzan, is about reflection. It is about giving alms, ALMS, to the poor, that is zakat. It is about praying, the salah. We cannot just say that we're fasting, we are feeling weak, and we cannot offer prayers. So the spreads on the table that we generally consume is not what is taught in Islam. It is about having a meal which is light on the stomach so that we do not go into ill health because of fasting. And we should spend more money for the iftar, that is when we open the fast. It is रोज़ा हम लोग खोलते हैं, तोड़ते नहीं हैं. We open the fast, we don't break the fast. So these are a few terms which we get confused. So let us now join hands, and during this holy month, we should look after the people of the lower income group, to give them the food and not have spreads and parties. This is not Ramzan at all. Yes, we can have one iftar party for our friends. We should have that. But apart from that, thinking only about food during your fasting is not roza at all. So, this is the few queries which have been troubling me, because everybody asks. One more before I leave, and that is when once again people ask, is it the meaty Eid or is it the Bakra Eid, or we are vegetarians? When we are friends with each other, we will not celebrate any festival which is not eaten by our friends. After the 30 or 29 days of fasting, we celebrate Eid al-Fitr, that is the meaty Eid or the Sivai Eid. So let us empower ourselves with knowledge. It is not about my religion or your religion. It is about information. It is about general knowledge. It is about empowerment. So we must be empowered with all religions, with all customs, so that we can either appreciate or abstain from whatever we don't agree with. But using incorrect language, is not very a healthy society. Now, it is not fasting of tongue for food only. We have to fast all our negative feelings, all our conflicts, gossip. That is why the 30 days, that 1 month, we cleanse our body, mind, and soul. We must help each other in doing that. God bless each one of you. And this was for information for everyone who was not aware. And I hope after this you do not have any doubt. If you all do, please connect with me or for further information. God bless and happy Ramzan.